students, now open the page number 59. Let's find and circle the object in the given picture that rhymes with van, van. an letters words हैं ये. Okay students, now read these words with me. van, van. man, man. can. pan. fan. There is a picture on the page. There are many objects. van, van. Where is van? This is van. Van. man, man. Where is van? This is man. Circle the man. can. Can. This is can. Circle the can. pan. Where is pan? This is pan. Circle the pan. fan. This is fan. Circle the fan. Okay students, do your work.